Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, running Python code. This is the session especially designed for the welcome world. The first program how you are going to run using Python programming language. Watch the session, you will have a good idea. Watch it. Here we will learn about running Python code in Pycham IDE and choosing the environment and running the code and what are the prerequisites we need to follow is very important for developers who are the beginners and as well as entering into the Python. Let's see what are the major steps we need to follow and taken care about Python installation and language. See, there are several ways to run Python code in our environment of development. First, we will discuss the various options for development environments. The three main types of environments are available for development environments as we can categorize. And here, text editors, what we are going to choosing for the writing of the Python language. And the full IDEs. The full IDE means which is a module we are going to integrating and invoking and a collection of the libraries and a collection of the modules, packages and folder, static files. This we are grouping to making a project of Python project where this full IDEs which is already ready-madely the functionality what we require, the functionalities to like integrating the files and grouping the project files like modules, packages and libraries into the segregated file structure it will create. And one more is in an environment of online notebook environments. This is the online notebook environment will make you to directly you have to straight away simply you need to open the browser and ready to work with the environment of online notebook. We can say that. Now see here one by one like text editors. These are the any editor of a text file we can use to write the Python language where we have to concentrate how we are going to writing a clean code and we follow to the basic standardization steps to understand the Python interpreter. And now work with the variety of text files we can use and can be customized with the plugins and add-ons. What are the add-ons we require to add on to our project and plugins if there are any third-party tools like the ready-made functionalities of algorithms. And remember, most of the editors are not only designed for Python. And there is many editors are available in the IT industry, like Visual Studio is there, and Pycham is there, and NetBeans IDE is there. These are the top very popular IDEs, but these are IDEs are not built for Python. Very much comfortable to write the Python language, and most of the editors are like IDEs are available. We will see here. And most popular text editors for in the industry is Sublime Text and ATOM. And Notepad++ is also a very popular text editor tool to write this type of scripting languages and Python language or any other languages where we are using such particular identified independent only the text editor. We have to understand the basics and the concept of syntaxes and the procedure how to write the language. Then only we can use the plain text editor only. Otherwise, we need to choose the IDE like a Python. And a full IDEs, what we have discussed now is development environments designed especially for Python and larger programs. Once we are integrating and writing a larger extensive enterprise applications, we need to use full IDEs to group and accomplish all the group of the files of the project with the packages. You can take the package or you can take the module or independently and the static files and there is a media files. These are all we have to maintain a segregation way to understand very easy way. And community editions are only free, which are development purpose we can use it, whereas the little bit the features which are not available in community editions rather than the professional. And the community editions are designed especially for Python, lots of extra functionalities which are available in these versions also. And the most popular IDE is Pycham and Spider. These are the IDEs are having, and especially these are the developed for Python program developments, as well as these are the libraries which are supports along with the integrated with the IDEs are available. And online notebook environments are great for learning. Simply you don't have an environment which is already installed in your local system. The online notebook environment is which is ready to open the web browser, that notepad like a notebook, and hit the Python commands. You can have and write the code over there and execute readily available. See input and output near each other. Once you have write the code and hit the enter, it will execute and it will show you the output there itself. And support inline markdown notes over there. If you want to write, we can write over there. And visualizations and videos and more which are available to write simply. And a large extension of the data also you can use to write these notebook environments. And special file formats that not.py extensions. And most popular is the Jupyter notebook is an online notebook environment. And that this is a very important for beginners and programmers who are entering into the Python language. Choosing the development environments or as a personal choice highly depends on your personal preference to work. You may comfortable with some of the IDE as you wish to go with that IDE, and rather than unless you don't know about the Pycham IDE or new IDEs, and you have to from scratch to you have to know about the IDE functionalities first, how to write code and how to edit and how to comment and how to handle the files and forms and the structure of the project. Everything you should know from the scratch. Anyhow, we are going to teach you in this session using Pycham IDE from scratch to the level of your expertise in to develop applications of using Python language. And the second point here is choose whichever the development environment you like most. That is up to you. My suggestion is for Python, go for Python Community Edition, which is an IDE. And in this session, I'm using to demonstrate you how to use and write a program of Hello World using Pycham IDE to execute the program and print Hello World. It's a very much as simple we will see here. Once you start the Pycham IDE over here and start run with the Pycham, and now you will see here, yeah, this is the Hello World py file I have added. If you don't know how to add, you can go with the project and right click new Python file. You hit enter. It will ask you the name. You simply type the name and file, and it will take you the extension automatically like hello world.py. Now we will see here the cursor is blinking here. I am simply typing print curly braces, either single quote or double quote, hello world. That's it. Now see here, go to file, right click and run hello world. You will see the output over here. It's a hello world. All right. Yeah. Now see here, I have simply written a single line called print, the predefined function, and the braces is started here and single quote hello world text I have written and end with the single quote and close the parenthesis, and I have run the IDE over here and run hello world. The program is executed with the interpreter. Now see here, hello world is printed over here. That is the output. That's it. That's a very much simple, pretty easy using this IDE. And a run is anyhow it's available with the run. Now Shift F10 is the keyboard shortcut over there. You can use it. And similarly, the IDE is having the functionality here. Run hello world. The play button is here, like run. And if you hit this button also, it will be show you an output of running the Python program. As much as simple to run and execute a simple Python applications and the Python files and the small bits of the Python programs as well.
It is a very much easy. I hope you understand.
Thanks for watching this session. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. For more information regarding these sessions, see the description below of my contact details are there. Thank you.